Hello students, today we will learn about another method to solve ordinary differential equation, which is Euler's modified method. Okay. In previous class we have discussed about Euler's method. So why we need modification in Euler's method? Let me show. So one thing I want to introduce you, Euler's method is also known as Runge-Kutta method of first order. Similarly, Euler's method, modified method I mean, which is also known as Runge-Kutta method of second order. Okay. So what was our Euler's method? Yi plus 1, which is equal to yi plus h fxi yi. पिछली क्लास में हम पढ़े थे फॉर्मूला Euler's मेथड का क्या है? दिस इज द मेथड Euler's मेथड. ओके. So then we modify it. Then suppose this is not our solution, so we assume here some star. Okay. Then modify this solution. Modify it by this formula yi plus 1, which is equal to yi plus h by 2 fxi yi plus fxi plus 1 yi plus 1. This is star. Okay. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे, ये Euler's मेथड से सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे yi plus 1. ओके. और फिर इसको क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे मॉडिफाइड मेथड में. ओके. तो जो फाइनल सॉल्यूशन बाद में निकलेगा वो अपना क्या होगा, मॉडिफाइड सॉल्यूशन होगा. आई मीन मॉडिफाइड वैल्यू होगा yi plus 1 का. ओके. So modification, I mean why we need modification in Euler's method, we will see later in geometrical form. So what was the differential equation? In particular form we have dy by dx is equal to fxy. This is the initial condition we have, which is given. Okay. So our differential equation in this particular form with given initial condition, this one. So I will show how we need modification in Euler's method to improve our result. What I did in the Euler's method, this is the x naught suppose, and this is the point we know. Okay. In Euler's method. तो ये क्या है, सॉल्यूशन का कर्व है जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड the solution curve y for arbitrary value of x. Y in terms of x we have to find. Okay. And here y is dependent on x and x is independent variable. Okay. So हम क्या किए थे पिछली क्लास में, ये x नॉट अपने को क्या पता है और इसका क्या है, स्लोप एट एनी पॉइंट एक्स वाई इज गिवन बाय fxy. Okay. We have this initial point, so we can easily draw a slope from this point. This point is y naught. Okay. Again हम क्या किए थे, this point is suppose x1. So this is the original value and this is the approximate value. I mean this is the original value y1 and this is the approximate value here y1. Okay. So there is some error from this to this. And again we draw a tangent from this point. We can, so this is the approximate value. Okay, this approximate value. This is the solution curve. Okay. तो हम Euler's method, modified method में क्या करेंगे, what we have to do in Euler's modified method, here I will show in geometrical form. Here also we know the x naught because our differential equation like this, dy by dx is equal to fxy with initial condition fx naught is equal to वाई नॉट। ओके, दिस इज गिवन। सो हमें इस कर्व के बारे में, ये क्या है, सॉल्यूशन कर्व है, सॉल्यूशन किस फॉर्म में होगा, y इज इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ x। तो हमें सॉल्यूशन के बारे में ही इनिशियल कंडीशन पता है, तो हम यहाँ से भी क्या कर सकते हैं, टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ओके, so there is some other point x1, this is the approximate value, this is the original value of, this is y0, this is y1, this is the original value, but we got this one, this is the approximate value, so there is also some error। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे, फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इस पॉइंट से हम अगेन एक टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन आयलर्स मेथड एंड मॉडिफाइड आयलर्स मेथड, हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों टेंजेंट का जो एवरेज होगा उसको लेंगे, वो कहीं समवेयर हियर, ओके, which is closer to this one। okay, so we have to choose the average value of this tangent and this tangent। okay, so this is the average slope। okay, so यहाँ क्या हो रहा था, हम यहाँ से टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किए, तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, एरर कुछ ज्यादा आ रहा है। अगर कर्व कुछ इस टाइप का होगा, ज्यादा कर्व ऐसे इस टाइप का होगा, तो एरर और क्या आएगा, और ज्यादा आएगा ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे तो। ओके, so if we take average of this slope, then error will be less। so this method is based on predictor and corrector value। from this we can predict a solution, and from the Euler's modified formula, that means what was the formula is yi plus 1, which is equal to yi plus h by 2, and average of slopes xi yi plus f xi plus 1 yi plus 1। ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, इससे सॉल्यूशन प्रिडिक्ट करेंगे और यहाँ से उसको करेक्ट कर लेंगे। दिस इज द स्टार। ओके, ऑयलर्स मेथड क्या था, yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h fxi yi। ओके, दिस इज द प्रिडिक्टर वैल्यू। हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, सॉल्यूशन को प्रिडिक्ट करेंगे और इस फॉर्मूला से हम करेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, दिस इज द मॉडिफाइड फॉर्मूला, दिस इज द प्रीवियस ऑयलर्स मेथड फॉर्मूला। ओके, so very simple। so in Euler's modified method, suppose this is the graph and this is the x naught point, so this is y naught। हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। ओके, दिस इज आवर, suppose this is what, xi, suppose for general formula, this is yi, this is xi plus 1, this is yi plus 1। okay, from this we can also draw a tangent from here to here। okay, this is the approximate value of this yi plus 1। okay, what is the slope, dy by dx at any point xi yi, which is equal to fxi yi। okay, this is one, and again dy by dx at xi plus 1 star, I mean not a star, yi plus 1 star, which is equal to fxi plus 1 yi plus 1 star। where is the star, this is the solution, we will get yi plus 1 from previous Euler, so we will get tangent somewhere here। okay, at this point this is yi star। okay, yi plus 1 star। so now taking average of the above slopes, now taking average of the above slope, so what we will get, let this is the slope y dash, which is equal to fxi yi plus fxi plus 1 yi plus 1 star। okay, we will use yi plus 1, which is coming from old, I mean previous Euler's method, and we will use this yi plus 1 in new modified Euler's method. So what is the average? Sum divided by 2. Then by the Euler's equation, previous Euler's equation, what we will write? Yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h into slope. So what is the slope? This one, fxi yi plus fxi plus 1 yi plus 1 star. ओके, कहाँ पे? प्रीवियस मेथड से हम yi plus 1 इजिली निकाल सकते हैं. अब यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे? सॉल्यूशन को करेक्ट करेंगे. ओके, so we can use this formula directly. No need to find average slope at each step. हमें एवरेज स्लोप क्या है ईच स्टेप पे निकालने की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे yi plus 1 के लिए, where I is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on and so forth. So I have one question. dy by dx is equal to x plus y square with initial condition this one. Find the approximate value of y at x is equal to 0.2 by Euler's modified method and taking x step size equal to 0.1. Okay, so this is the 0. We have to find value at 0.2 and taking a step size 0.1. Okay, so this is the x naught, this is x1, and this is the x2. What is h? H is equal to 0.1. What we have function fxy, which is equal to x plus y square, and initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1. That means x0 is equal to 0. So this is the predictor value yi plus 1 star, which is from Euler's formula yi plus h fxi yi. Okay, so यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे? I is equal to 0 के लिए हमें क्या y1 पे वैल्यू क्या प्रेडिक्ट कर लेंगे, बाद में इसको मॉडिफाइड फॉर्मूला से क्या करेंगे? वैल्यू को करेक्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो y1 स्टार क्या हो जाएगा? y नॉट प्लस h fx नॉट y नॉट. ओके, so finally we will get y naught is equal to 1, h is equal to 0.1, x naught is equal to 0 plus y naught square, which is equal to 1 square. So finally we will get 1.1. This is the predictor value. Okay, now we have to correct this value using the corrector formula. What was the corrector formula for Euler modified? yi plus 1, which is equal to yi plus h by 2 fxi yi plus fxi plus 1 yi plus 1 star. Okay, so here we will put I is equal to 0, then we get the value of y1. Okay, which is corrector value, and this is the predictor value y naught. If we put I is equal to 0, this is y naught, which is also known, h is also known, fx naught y naught is also known, fx1, what is x1? X1 is this one, x1 is equal to 0.1, and what is y1 star? Y1 star is this one, which is predictor value. From this formula we can correct the value. So what is the y1? Y naught plus h by 2 fx naught y naught plus f x y1 star. Okay, so finally we will get 1 plus 0.1 divided by 2, 0 plus 1 square plus 0.1 square plus 1.1 square. Simply put the value of x naught plus y square, and this is the x1 plus y1 star square, which is the function value. Okay, so this will gives 1.1155. Okay, this is the correct value of y1, but we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So we have to find the y2. Okay, so for y2, for y2 in step 2, y2 फिर क्या करेंगे हम, ऑयलर्स, सिंपल ऑयलर्स मेथड से क्या करेंगे, y2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे, जो कि क्या होगा, हमारा प्रेडिक्ट वैल्यू होगा y1 प्लस h f x1 y1। ओके, अब यहाँ पे y1 क्या लेंगे, जो अपने पास करेक्ट वैल्यू है उसको यूज करेंगे, ना कि पहले वाले को यूज करेंगे। ओके, so finally 1.155 plus 0.1, this will x1 square plus y1 square, sorry, x1 plus y1 square. So what we will get, 1.1155 plus 0.1 plus 1.1155, okay, square, which is equal to 1.2499. This is the predict value for y2. Now we have to correct this using the modified Euler's method. This is the predictor value for y2. Okay, so how we will correct? Simple, we can simply write the formula for I is equal to 1. This will y2 is equal to y1 plus h by 2 fx1 y1 plus fx2 y2 star. Okay, this is the y2 star, okay, which we have calculated in previous step. So this is y1 plus h by 2, what is this, x1 plus y1 square plus x2 plus y2 star square. So put the value of y1 1.1155 plus 0.1 divided by 2, 0.1 plus 1.1155 square plus 0.2 plus y2 is what, the predict value of y2. This one we have to put it here and calculate using calculator. You can use, okay, finally we will get 1.2708. okay, so this is the correct value of y2. That means y is equal to 1.2708 at x is equal to 0.2.